Hello everyone in cyber world, welcome back to another video. I'm Richard. This is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. As you can tell, my partner in crime is not with me here. This is going to be kind of a short video just to explain that we have not given up on YouTube. Unfortunately, we ran into some family issues that we needed to take care of, and we've been flying back and forth between Hawaii and the mainland, and we probably have to do that at least one more time. So we've been too busy, unfortunately, to work on YouTube. We have not given up, I promise you that. And we have several things that we're going to work on and we wanted to do a video on. As you can see, the background here may be something that you haven't seen before. It's something that we put up. We were prepared to do a video on that. And it will be something that we're going to show you how to do this. It's just that right now we don't have the time to do that. As for my partner, Jennifer, you may remember before that during a travel, she fell and fractured her kneecap, and that took a while for her to heal from that. Recently, between the traveling that we've been doing, she didn't fall. However, much to our surprise, we learned that she fractured her hip. No idea how that happened, so she may not be able to stand too well next to me to do the videos or help out in any of the projects, but she is here, and I promised also that she will be back. So we have some videos that we're definitely working on. This is one that we're going to show. We actually wanted to do some things for decorating that we've kind of finished. To give you an idea, this is something that we wanted to put on the back here, as well as our true logo here that hopefully we don't get too much of a glare. But we want to put that on the background if we can do that without getting a bunch of reflection from all the lighting in here. And we'll show you how that comes. There's some other ideas that we want to do, maybe even switch out the things that we make and put them temporarily on the wall. And each week, who knows, we might switch out and put something totally new on there. So that's one of the projects that we're working on. We want to actually do some more designs on the doors, and we'll be showing you how the doors look when we show you this project that we did. We want to redesign those and kind of do a Japanese concept on there, and we're working that out, but again, haven't been able to do that. Also have a new challenge for our business where I've been asked to create epoxy waves not on a surfboard like I normally do, but have been asked to do it on a real snowboard in Hawaii. Yep, but anyhow, that's something that I took on the challenge. They've entrusted me to do that. I'm hoping I do well. I got some ideas for it. I think it's going to come out really well, and so I'm going to show you how I go through that process, and we'll be making a video on that and sharing with you. Again, this is really short, but I just wanted to reassure everybody that we're doing fine. Well, one of us is doing better than the other one, but we will be back soon as we possibly can. So until we meet again, bye-bye.